This is a CF31 touchscreen board replacement. Start by turning your computer off and remove the battery if you've not done so already. And then remove the screws on the antenna covers and remove the antenna covers. Next, remove the screws on the back side of the hinge covers. There's one on each hinge cover. Then open up the lid and remove the screws holding down the keyboard cover and remove the keyboard cover. Once that's out of the way, go ahead and unscrew the screws holding down the hinge covers in the front. There's one for each hinge cover. Once you have the hinge covers off, go ahead and close the lid and remove all the screws on the upper lid. Once you have all the screws removed, go ahead and open the top lid and just set it behind it for now. You don't need to disconnect the antenna wires. You can if you want to, but you don't need to. Then carefully lift up the cable that plugs into the touchscreen board. Just little by little work it up using a flathead. Be careful not to break the connector or the cable. And then there's one screw holding the board in place. Unscrew it and lift the board up. Disconnect the ribbon cable going to the touchscreen panel itself. Remove your board, get your replacement. Plug your ribbon cable for the touchscreen panel into the replacement touchscreen board. And then put it in position and screw it down. Then go ahead and connect the cable for the touchscreen board. And then close the top lid. Put your screws back in the top lid. Once that's done, go ahead and open the screen up and put your hinge covers back on. If you need to adjust the wires so that they don't get pinched. Then once the hinge covers are on, go ahead and screw them back down. Then go ahead and put the keyboard cover back on and screw it back down. Then go ahead and put your screws in the back of the hinge covers. Then go ahead and put the antenna covers back on and screw them down. And then once you're done with that, you're all done with the repair. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, just let us know. You can give us a call at our toll-free number of 877-202-7788, or you can send us an email to our tech support email, which is tech, TECH, _support, SUPPORT, @bobjohnson.com.